Welcome to Reviewsinside TV. Today, we're taking a close look at the Dyson V11 Origin Cordless Vacuum, a versatile cleaning powerhouse that promises to tackle everything from dust to pet hair, all without the limitations of a cord. This model combines top-tier suction power, impressive runtime, and a suite of smart features that cater to the needs of modern homes. Let's dive into what this vacuum really brings to the table. The Dyson V11 Origin is a cordless vacuum designed to give you the freedom of cleaning without being tethered to a power outlet. Its most notable feature is the powerful suction, delivering up to 185 air watts of cleaning performance. This means it can pull up dirt and debris from deep within carpets while also providing a spotless finish on hard floors. The V11 is equipped with 3 power modes: Auto, Eco, and Boost, so you can choose between a balance of power and battery life, maximum runtime, or extra suction for those tougher spots. On Eco mode, it's capable of running for up to 60 minutes, which is a solid runtime for most cleaning tasks. The LCD screen is another handy addition, providing real-time updates on the power mode, remaining battery life, and maintenance alerts to keep you informed. When it comes to versatility, the Dyson V11 shines. It's not just a stick vacuum, it can also convert into a handheld, making it perfect for cleaning cars, stairs, upholstery, or tight spaces. The included motor bar cleaner head is designed to deep clean all floor types, from plush carpets to hardwood floors. One standout feature is its ability to detangle pet hair and long hair from the brush roll as you clean, thanks to the anti-tangle conical brush bar. If you've ever had a vacuum that struggled with hair clogging the rollers, this feature will be a game changer. For extra help with pet hair, the hair screw tool is also included. This attachment makes short work of pet hair, picking it up quickly and efficiently from all kinds of surfaces. In terms of filtration, the Dyson V11 doesn't disappoint. It boasts advanced whole machine filtration that traps 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. This is especially important for allergy sufferers or anyone who's sensitive to dust and other small particles. It's reassuring to know that the vacuum expels cleaner air as you clean, ensuring that you're not just moving dust around. Let's talk about real-world usage. Setting up the Dyson V11 is incredibly easy. The docking station ensures that it's always ready to go, and the vacuum itself is lightweight enough to make cleaning a breeze. The LCD screen, while a simple touch, adds a layer of sophistication by keeping you informed on everything from battery status to reminders about cleaning the filter. When it comes to performance, the vacuum excels across different floor types. I found it effortlessly gliding across hard floors and pulling dirt out of carpets with ease. The Boost mode provides that extra suction for spot cleaning, which is great for more intense messes, like spilled cereal or mud tracked in from the yard. Now, using the V11 to tackle pet hair is an absolute pleasure. The motor bar cleaner head, combined with the hair screw tool, handles long hair and pet hair without a hitch, reducing tangling and making the entire process more efficient. I was able to clean stairs, furniture, and car seats with minimal effort, and the conversion to handheld mode worked seamlessly. However, no vacuum is without its quirks. While the Dyson V11 is lightweight for its size, extended use can still cause a bit of hand fatigue, especially when using it in handheld mode for a prolonged period. The noise level, while not excessively loud, is noticeable in Boost mode. If you're sensitive to noise or have pets that are easily spooked, it might take some getting used to. Additionally, while the 60-minute runtime on Eco mode is great, the battery life drops significantly in Boost mode, which means you'll need to recharge more frequently for intensive cleaning. The build quality of the Dyson V11 is top-notch, as expected from a Dyson product. It feels durable and lightweight at the same time. The materials used are solid, and the construction of the dustbin, wand, and brush roll feel premium. Maintenance is relatively simple, with easy-to-clean filters and a bin that's easy to empty. However, you'll want to keep an eye on the brush roll for hair buildup, especially if you have long-haired pets or family members. Thankfully, the anti-tangle feature does a lot to minimize this. Let's talk value for money. The Dyson V11 Origin is priced higher than many other cordless vacuums, but it justifies that cost with powerful suction, long runtime, excellent filtration, and a wide range of useful attachments. While there are cheaper alternatives out there, few offer the same level of performance and versatility. For pet owners, allergy sufferers, or anyone looking for a reliable whole home vacuum, this model is a solid investment. The runtime, while impressive, could be limiting if you have a particularly large home or plan to clean in boost mode frequently, so keep that in mind. Comparing it to other vacuums in its price range, the Dyson V11 Origin stacks up well against competitors like the Shark Ion F80 and the Tyneco Pure One S12. In terms of suction power and filtration, the Dyson V11 is on top. While the Tyneco offers smart features like app connectivity, Dyson's superior build quality and hair handling capabilities may be more important for many users. The Shark Ion F80, while also a solid vacuum, lacks the same level of suction power and versatile attachments. As for longevity, Dyson has built a strong reputation for durable vacuums that stand the test of time. The V11 Origin's solid construction, along with the 2-year warranty and lifetime support, gives you peace of mind knowing that it's designed to last. If you're wondering about customer support, Dyson has a strong track record here. Their customer service is known for being responsive and helpful, and the inclusion of the My Dyson app adds an extra layer of convenience for troubleshooting and maintenance reminders. To wrap it up, the Dyson V11 Origin cordless vacuum is an excellent choice for homeowners looking for a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-use cleaning tool. Its suction power, filtration system, and ability to handle pet hair make it stand out from the crowd. However, it might not be the best fit for everyone. If you need something with longer runtime in boost mode or have a particularly large area to clean, it could be worth considering alternatives. But for most people, especially those with pets or allergies, it's the fantastic investment that delivers on its promises. Thanks for tuning in to Reviews Inside TV. If you've already tried the Dyson V11, let us know how it's working for you in the comments below. And if you're looking to grab one, don't forget to check out the product link in the comments box. Until next time, happy cleaning!